Amotoka loitetet lode nyund koto monoriungot loka Unicef nesda dauti gardo koluko district loko Kaberamaido ai jaun kanukada ai ganya ai napeta nui kamera kede riunget loka Angaleu.
This vehicle was also a serious asset that we it has been a long journey, but finally this vehicle has landed in the district. The hospital allocated 17 million, which has been used to put the number plates and the other taxes which are involved. Although that money was supposed to do other activities, but we prioritize getting this vehicle. Let us support the outreaches, immunization, and the sensitization of the communities in the areas of maternal and child health. Our goal is to improve on the health of the people in the district. And I know if we were kept, we can use it for some long time.
Lidaroro ko yaita kirono ka Angaleu koto mno district loko Kaberamaido James Daniel Odongo ngesta buko limda eba dau na kwa na yuara district loko Kaberamaido koto mna tionisne polo noi e kaulo na kada lika mnarake ni motokan koto mno riunget kelo kada Angaleu.
The Unicef to support maternal child services in this district. I want to take this opportunity to thank Unicef for supporting this district, particularly in the area of healthcare service delivery.
Konya LC5 loko district loko Kaberamaido Victor Rex Ekesunge Salim Daibe ajok aito somis region doti milionin to manaka nyare kanuka da nyunda be kobia motkaloto no akanino ke district loko Kaberamaido aboisna kada aito som milionin wedota akwata unika nukati agweluna motkalo itete.
Those of us who will be using this vehicle, we must value it, we must drive it within the premises of common decency. For Kaberamaido, it's a great luck to have this vehicle. I quite often see this vehicle to the ministries and a few districts like the ones in Karamoja and parts of West Nile. Now that we have also joined that club, let us try also to be a bit serious.
The environment that the government is enabling to all partners, especially in the health sector, whereby now UNICEF has even given a very powerful machine, a Land Cruiser, which can consume 90% of the works department budget. With those few remarks, allow me to hand over these instruments, which indicate ownership as Kaberamaido to the relevant authorities to ensure that we utilize the machine.
Michael Onyinge, TV East, Kaberamaido District.